Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I am going to giving you a demo of how to capture leads from your landing page to Google Sheet using Zapier. Okay, so currently you are seeing my blog, shankarprakash.com. This is my landing page. Through this landing page, I collect the leads with the username and email and phone number. Once the user click on the Get Free Consultant Now button, the user information will be captured in this Google Sheet. That is what we are going to see as a demo. So currently this Google Sheet is empty. Okay, so this is my landing page. This landing page I have created through Elementor Pro version. Okay, so this is my form. Okay, so let me quickly go through the Zapier interface. So this is my Zapier interface. We have a dashboard and a list of zaps, my apps and zap history. Okay, so already I have one zap that is disabled now. For this demo purpose, let me create a new zap. So I have to click on the make a zap. So what is the idea is we are going to create a webhook in this Zapier, which is catch hook we have to create. Once the webhook is created in the Zapier, we will put it into this button trigger. Okay, that way we are going to do. So I am naming it as leads tracker. Okay, so in this app there are many apps are available. Whatever you want, you can check it here. You should give a try, I recommend. So let me type the webhook. So my idea is hatch cook. Catch hook will be the option once you click on it. So once you continue, you will get a this hook URL. Okay, I just copied this one. Okay, so I have used Elementor Pro for my landing page. If you are using any other landing page, that landing page will support webhook trigger part. Okay, so in this Elementor Pro we have an option called action after submit. Okay, when I click on it, already I have enabled the webhook. So if you want, you can add a plus icon by click on it. You can type webhook, it will be available. Once you are done that, this webhook option will be available. So I will paste my URL which I captured from this Zapier interface. Okay, so the form after submit webhook updated. Once I updated, this form will waiting for this hook trigger. Okay, once the user button click, but before to move on, I need to set them a trigger part. Okay, so let me click on continue. Once this is the trigger part, we are going to the action part. This is the test trigger, right? So currently let me refresh the page. Okay, let me enter my name as Shankar Prakash. Reach me at shankarprakash.com. My phone number is, I am just putting it randomly. If I click on the get free consultant now, okay, the form successfully sent. Okay, so what happened from the Zapier end, we can click the test trigger, you will get the data. Will you able to see? Sounds good, right? So what are the information you entered in the in my landing page that captured through this Zapier? Okay, so we have all information, email, name, phone number, source, data, time, page URL, user agent. There are so many informations are available. So once you done the test trigger, we can continue. Then we will move on the action part. what is the action part here is we have to write the information to the Google Sheet. That is what we are going to do. Okay, so let me change this on my action event is create a spreadsheet row. Okay, and click on continue. We have to click on this. This is my account I have verified in this Zapier account. Then from the Google Drive, which drive, my Google Drive, I have to choose which spreadsheet. We have named it as a lead stack, right? Let me choose this one. So what is the worksheet? By default it will be sheet. Okay, so it's refreshing. Okay, all the header information in this name, email, source, all are fetched by Zapier and display to you. What should be the capture mapping in this column? Let me mapping this name. Okay, then for an email I can map it as a first column, then phone number as a second column. Okay, source and all, source query and all I will leave it as of now. Let me continue this. Okay, so pretty much we have covered this Zap creation. When we click on the test and continue, currently we are not having any data. Okay, let's do the magic. When I click on the test and continue, this Zapier will execute. Let me check in my Google Sheet. Shankar Prakash, reach me at shankarprakash.com, my phone number. What are the information if you want to capture, you can put it in that. Okay, so this is how this Zapier integration works. So this Zapier automate all your business workflow. If you want, you can check this Zapier tool. There are many tools are available. Okay, thanks for watching.